Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about solving linear equations in one variable. This is under Mathematics 7. So let us have our first example. So that is x minus 2 equals 11. So for your solution, I am advising you to copy the first given or the given itself. So that is x minus 2 equals 11. And then remember our goal here is to have x only at the left side of the equation. So therefore, we have to transpose the other terms that we had. So we have here x at the left side and then please transpose negative 2. Remember when you are transposing numbers or variables, you have to get the opposite sign of it. So if it is negative, then it will become positive. So let's write 11 first plus 2. So again, it's negative here, transpose, then it will become positive. So copy x equals 11 plus 2, that's 13. So therefore, x equals 13 is the answer for example number 1. Let's have number 2. For example number 2, we have here 17 equals minus 9. Same process, I want you to copy first the given. So that is 17 equals x minus 9. Are we going to transpose x at the left side of the equation because that is our goal, right? No, we are not going to transpose x because it is already positive here at the right side of the equation. Now our goal is to have x at the right side of the equation only. And then we are going to transpose negative 9 here at the left side of the equation. So let's have x here and then copy 17. So sign of 17 is positive, so plus 17. And then negative 9 will be transposed at the left side of the equation, then it will become 9. You have to get the opposite sign of it, and that's positive. And then copy x. 9 plus 17, that's 26. So 26 equals x, or you can just write it as x equals 26. It is the same. So that's the answer for example number 2. Let us have another. So we have here example number 3. So same goal as number 1. Let's copy first the given. So solution. So we have here 3x plus 2 equals x plus 7. The goal is to have all of the x's here at the left side of the equation. So we have here 3x, and notice here that you have to transpose positive x to the left side of the equation. So therefore, if it is positive, it will become negative now. So minus x equals, again, notice here that you have to transpose positive 2 here at the right side of the equation. So therefore, we will get the opposite sign of it, and it is negative 2. So 7 minus 2. And then we will continue solving. But first, for x, let us write the numerical coefficient, which is 1. Always remember, if the numerical coefficient is 1, it is invisible. It is there, but it is not written. So let's subtract. So 3 minus 1, so that's 2. And then copy the variable, which is x. And then don't forget to solve for the right side of the equation. So that's 7 minus 2, that's 5. And then remember our goal. Our goal is to have x only at the left side of the equation. But as you can see here, we have here 2 beside it. So therefore, we have to eliminate 2 by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So cancel, x equals 5 over 2. So this is the final answer. No need to change this improper fraction to mixed number. Next, let's have example 4. For example 4, we have here x minus 1 half equals 2 over 5 plus 1 over 7. For your solution, kindly copy the given first. So we have here x minus 1 half equals 2 over 5 plus 1 over 7. And then have our goal reach it. So the goal is to have x only at the left side of the equation. So we'll be having x here. And then we are going to transpose negative 1 half here at the right side of the equation. So we have here 2 over 5 plus 1 over 7. And then we have here negative. But since we are transposing it, it will become positive. So plus 1 half. And then for us to be able to simplify this, I am advising you to get the LCD of 5, 7, and 2 since they are dissimilar fractions. How are we going to get the LCD of it? I am advising you to have the ladder method. It looks like this. So that's 5, 7, and 2. Let's write it here. 5, 7, and 2. And then think of a prime number that can divide 5, 7, and 2. So we have here 5. It's okay that 5 cannot divide 7 and 2. We will just bring it down. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 7 divided by 5 cannot be because there is a remainder. So therefore, bring down 7. 2 divided by 5 is not possible also. So bring down 2. Since this is 1, you have to think of a prime number that can divide 7 or 2. And that's 7. So just bring down 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 divided by 7 is 2. Um, 2 because we cannot divide 2 divided by 7. It is impossible to divide it. It will become a decimal number. So therefore, if that is the case, we will just bring down 2. And then think of a prime number again that can divide 2. And that's 2. Remember that 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, so we have here 1, 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, our prime numbers here are 5, 7, 2. You're going to multiply it. So, 5 times 7 times 2. So, 5 times 7 is 35 times 2, that is equal to 70. So, the LCD is 70. We will write it here. So, that is x equals over 70. So this is how you are going to get your numerator. 70 divided by 5, and that is 14. Then multiply it by the numerator, that's 2, times 2. So we have here 28. So write 28 here, and don't forget to write the operation, which is addition. 70 divided by 7, that's 10 times 1. So that's 10 also. Plus 70 divided by 2, 35 times 1 is 35. And then, let me just erase this part so that we can continue solving. So we have here x equals 28 plus 10, that is 38, plus 35, that is 73. So 73 over 70. So that is your x. Are we going to change it into mixed number? No. Just think of a number that can divide 73 and 70 at the same time without remainder. But in this case, we cannot think of any number, so therefore, this is the final answer. Because there's no number that can divide 73 and 70 at the same time without remainder. So that is how you are going to solve for linear equations in one variable. Thank you for listening today. If you have inquiries about us and about the topic, kindly message FB page of the Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.